Yeah, 2292, contact Chicago Center 125.907.
United 2292, how do you hear Chicago Center?
United 2292, loud and clear.
United 2292, descend and maintain flight level 200.
Descend to 200, United 2292.
American 2805, that is 33.5 for 320 demo. United 2292, how do you hear? United 2292, that did not come in clear. Say again.
Alright, United 2292, how do you hear us now?
United 2292, I hear you just fine. Do you need anything?
Okay, just lower, we need to get down to 10,000. Now, we are on a stabilized situation. I can communicate better and hear you better. We've lost 10 altitude. We have it under control, but we do need to get to 10,000, and we are direct Chicago. We're going to be landing Chicago, and we are an emergency aircraft. Souls on board 182, remaining fuel 22,100 pounds.
United 2292, okay, great, thank you. That you're sounding much better now. Descend and maintain 1000. The Grand Rapids altimeter 2984.
Okay, down to 2984 on the altimeter, United 2292.
That's United 345. They sent me back from that frequency. You said it was incorrect.
Skyway 3631, Chicago Center, flight maintain flight level 250.
300, and we're 280 assigned. What would you like us to transition to?
Skywest 3631, got the check on, climb maintain flight level 250.
Skywest 3631, comfort level 250.
United 2292, contact Chicago Center 133.2.
133.2, United 2292.
Chicago, United 2292, 9,000 feet.
United 2292, Chicago, approach Bravo, just became Burn, advise you pick up Bravo, you should expect runway 9er center.
Okay, we'll pick up Bravo now and 9 center for United 2292, thanks.
Okay, 2292, Chicago.
Go ahead.
There you are, United 2292, plotting 270, descend and maintain 5,000.
270, 5000, United 2292.
At 2292, 7 miles from Azelle, maintain 3,000 to establish localizer foot hours for 9er center, approach maintain 2 winds or not.
Okay, cleared for the ILS 9er center, and what was the speed again?
2 winds or not, United 2292.
Okay, 3000, United 2292. 200 knots.
Limit 40.83, 280, 180, vectors to final.
Heading 180, number 4183.
Tower United 2292, ILS 9 center, emergency aircraft.
United 2292, runway 9 center, cleared to land, 11404. Don't need braking action through the first arrival on this runway, but the RVO is
9 center, clear land, United 2292.
These are fast.
Tower United 2292.
Go ahead.
Yeah, pretty sure we're emergency aircraft, so when we land, we're going to be clearing at the high speed, just have the truck check our gear, then we'll be able to taxi to the gate.
Okay, no problem. We won't have any traffic up there for you, so we'll let the emergency frequency know.
Okay, thank you.
United 2292, 2 right turns onto Echo, hold short, runway 4 left.
Okay, Echo, hold short, 4 left, United 2292, right turn Echo.
United 2292, you can contact the emergency frequency on 119.25 now today.
119.25, just confirm to right turn here in Echo and hold short 4 left.
Affirmative, they